So Direction 180 opened in 2001 as a pilot project to respond to the shift in people that were using drugs and who were addicted to opiates. And since that time, we've treated or assessed over 600 people. We're currently treating 240 people and have an active waiting list that exceeds 300 people. You know, yesterday we had to make the decision that we can't take any more people. We are beyond. We're bursting at the seams. And this is really unfortunate because now when people come, we're not giving them any hope. We can't take people. We can't admit any more people. And you know, I fear because other programs in HRM and throughout the province are experiencing similar situations. And I think that we need a quick response. You know, I'm not suggesting that all the resources need to go into methadone solely. It requires, a multi-pronged approach. You know, we need more enforcement, we need more long-term treatment, better prevention messages, but more awareness. And there's lots of work to be done. We've made some great headway in the last 10 years. I'm glad to say I've watched it and been a part of it, but it's just not enough.
Well, that's good.
I got out of jail March 20th. No intentions of using it all, and by April 26th I went through 9 grand. I dropped from 181 pounds down to about 141, 142. I went to detox for a few weeks, $400 or $500 a day. Then came here for a couple weeks. As much as it saved me, I've have so many issues. This is just one stem of addiction, methadone, opiate withdrawal. There's cocaine, methamphetamines, weed, you name it, you know what I mean? And it's like liquid handcuffs at the same time. Like, you really got to be dedicated to it, right? Because you can't go 2 or 3 days without it. You get sick as a dog, like, you know what I mean? Physically sick. Like, it turned me into something that I never thought I would be, opiate addiction, right? Like, it took me from a man and turned me into literally a fucking animal, right? But, other than that, it's got as many good points as it does bad.
Part of the issue we're experiencing in Halifax is we don't quite have a very good flow through the system, and we're having some outdoor issues or outflow issues. So people come into programs, and we need to find a better way to move them through our programs back out into the community once they're stabilized. The plan now is to talk with some of the key people in the next 2 months. And then we're hoping to distribute that funding before the end of fiscal, so maybe November or December, based on government processes and approvals.
The people that I see in need of treatment are tired. They need help. They need support now, not in December, not next year. They need help now.